Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our Limitless YouTube channel. I am Tejraj Choudhury. Today we will discuss some static GK. So let's start our session. So our first question is India's first biosphere reserve, and the option A Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve, option B Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, option C Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, and option D Sesachalam Hills. And the answer is Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. And Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve is covered Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka, and it's also known as the Western Ghats. And Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve as recognized as a biosphere reserve in 1986. And in option B, the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is situated at Uttarakhand, and it recognized as the biosphere reserve in 1988. Option C, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve is recognized at 1989. It's situated at West Bengal. And option D, Sesachalam Hills, which is recognized as a biosphere reserve in 2010, and it is situated at Andhra Pradesh. So we will move to our next question. The second question is first dam in India. Options are option A, Kalanai Dam, option B, Thayeri Dam, option C, Hirakud Dam, option D, Sardar Sarovar Dam. And the answer is Kalanai Dam. And the Kalanai Dam is situated in Tamil Nadu, and it is constructed over the Kaveri River. And in option B, the Thayeri Dam. The Thayeri Dam is the highest dam in India, which is situated in Uttarakhand, and it construct over the Bhagirathi River. And option C, Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in the world, not over in India, and it situated in Odisha, and it construct over the Mahanadi River. And in option D, Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is situated in Gujarat, and the dam is constructed over the Narmada River. And the highest statue of the world, the Statue of Unity, is also situated at in this dam. So we will move to our next question. The question third: first person of India to win Magsaysay Award. Options are option A, Rabindranath Tagore, option B, Dadabhai Naoroji, option C, Vinoba Bhave, option D, Ravish Kumar. And the answer is option C, Vinoba Bhave, in 1958. And this award is given for outstanding contribution in government service, public service, community leadership, and journalism, literature and creative communication, peace and internal understanding, and emergent leadership. And here, Vinoba Bhave is won the award for community leadership. In option A, we put Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is the first Nobel Prize winner of India, and he is won the award for literature. And in option B, Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji is called as the Grand Old Man of India. And option D, the Ravish Kumar. Ravish Kumar is won the Ramana Magsaysay Award in last 2019 for journalism. He is also belongs to India. So we move to our fourth question. First Indian to swim across the English Channel. And the options are option A Arati Saha, option B Mihir Sen, and option C Rita Faria, and option D Harita Kaur Badal. And the answer is Mihir Sen, option B. And Arti Saha. Arti Saha is the first Asian woman to cross the English Channel. Rita Faria, option C. Rita Faria is the first Asian to win the Miss World title. And Harita Kaur Deol, the first woman pilot of Indian Air Force. So we move to our last question. First Speaker of Lok Sabha. The options are option A G.B. Mavalankar, option B Abul Kalam Azad, option C Zakir Hussain, option D John Mathai. So the answer is option A G.B. Mavalankar. So in option B Abul Kalam Azad. Abul Kalam Azad is the first education minister of independent India. And in option C Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain is the first Muslim president of India. And in option D, John Mathai. John Mathai is the first railway minister of India after the independence. So all the questions are completed. Thank you all. Have a good day. Be safe.